Hello guys, Timani, and today I want to talk about something that we all go through, right? Today we're talking about how to lose a relationship. A lot of us go through this thing and we don't understand why. So I'm going to try today to break it down for some of us, okay? For those who don't understand. Number one, we talk about methods that are sure to make you lose a relationship. Ne? This method, see this one? This one is a patched method. That's what Americans would say.
It is foolproof. It will happen. It will come to pass. You will surely lose your relationship.
In less than 3 weeks, I promise you. Ask God about it. Ask God to remove. Say, God, if this person is mine, keep them. But if they are not meant to be mine, remove them. I promise you, you'll get your answer in less than 3 weeks max. Another one, which falls after asking God to remove the person if they're not meant for you, is tell your friends how good you have it. I'm telling you, tell your friends how good you have it. If you are in a good relationship, please tell your friend, a close friend of yours, the person that you love the most, who is close to you, you tell every kind of secret. Tell them, let them know that you found someone that you actually love and you see a future with them and you think they are the one. And I promise you, 3 weeks max. That's it. This is best. I'm telling you, it never fails. Go on, tell your friends. Say, guys, when that person is sending you a gift and that person does something nice for you, tell your friends. I promise you, this won't work. You will lose your relationship.
You will lose your relationship.
You will. No, he took me out. Yo, this guy did this for me. Yo, this guy did this. Oh no, that girl, she did this. Yo, this girl, I like her because 3 weeks later. As a matter of fact, you can tell them to. You can tell your friends today in the AMs. I promise you, by the PMs, Chaile. This is another one. How to lose a relationship. Very quickly, have good intentions. Plan about this person. Think about them. Fantasize them. Have them think about them that, okay, in the near future, I want to do this with them. I don't want to play this one. I want to actually love this person with all my heart, all my soul, and dedicate myself to them. It is a sure way you will lose your person. I promise you. I promise you. This method right here, having good intentions, is one ticket. It is one call, a message to the devil himself to come for your relationship. I promise you. Try it. Say, I want to marry this one. I want to take this one to do this thing. I'm going to try my actual best to care and love this person. And do that.
2 weeks max.
Child, you are single again. Have good intentions. Moving on to the next one, right? Remove or cut off your sides. Your sides are the people that you were entertaining before this particular person came into your life. If you want to lose this person, this relationship, cut off, remove all of those people that you were talking to, entertaining, taking out, and just being with, right? Those people who were with you, who didn't care what you do or what you say. It was never actually anything interesting or serious. It was just you guys having fun together, meeting up, you understand? Whatever you were doing. Remove them. If you want to lose a relationship, if you want to lose the person that you actually love, remove those ones. Cut off your sides. You see your sides? Cut them off. Focus on this one person.
You lose that person.
I swear. Bro, I wouldn't be doing a course if this thing is not true. If this thing has not been proven, bro, by scientists. A UNISA. You understand what I'm trying to say? Rosebank College also contacted me. I went there and I asked them, I said, guys, can you give me statistics on how to lose a relationship in 2026? Because I
graduated Rosebank. Yabo, I majored in English.
I know what I'm talking about. Leave everyone else. Leave them. Leave them and you will see.
Your own mother. They will show you your mother immediately.
Another sure way to lose a relationship in 2006, in 26, is to be there for them in times of trouble. If you be there for them in times of trouble, I swear to you, let that person be on the up. Now they're on the down. That's why you are there for them in times of trouble. Let them be up. Let their things start to change. Their life come together. And I promise you, they will forsake you for real. Guys, without, I'm not going to waste time. Be there for them, meaning love them genuinely. You see this one? No, man, something is wrong here. How do you write genuinely? Yes, love them genuinely, without meaning be real with them. Tell them the truth. Try to ride with them. Try to die with them. I am telling you right now. If there was a war, they
will use you as bulletproof.
Thank you so much for the people who joined, who are buying my courses. My courses have been changing lives, I understand, guys. Thank you so much for those people that are actually joining my English classes also. Let me see. The people who are joining my English classes at night or online, guys, please focus on your test. I'm going to send you pamphlets and books that you guys need to read so that you polish out your comprehension, read, write, and all of that in English. You understand? Thank you again to my patrons. Guys, I couldn't do this without you guys. I really wouldn't do this without you. You guys help support the channel. I want to thank you so much. This is Timan Kobo and how to lose a relationship in 2026. See you next time.